Hello and welcome back dear subscriber. Today in this video I am going to talk about NPTEL domain certificate. So in this video I will explain what is domain certificate and how you can enroll for the NPTEL domain certificate, what are the courses you have to roll and how to find out what are the courses in that domain. So if you want the detail, then please visit our YouTube channel Deepcodec Guru and go to playlist, and in NPTEL information open the first playlist NPTEL information. Okay, and in first video you will get entire complete information about NPTEL domain certificate, not in first, in second video you will get. Okay, so I have given very detailed idea. In this video I am going to give you just brief. Okay, so coming to NPTEL domain. Okay, so you will get this type of certificate and your course name will be there and your QR code will be there, and finally you will get this type of certificate from NPTEL as a domain certificate. Okay, so what is domain? It is just a specialization in any area of study. So you can also get a specialization certificate from NPTEL also, like Oracle used to give, Coursera used to give. Same way you can go for, and NPTEL is providing 41 domain courses across 10 disciplines. Okay, so I am going to just focus regarding the computer science student for computer science. Okay, for other I will not go for. I am just focusing on the computer science. Okay, so let me go down. And so what this is micro certificate where a learner can obtain expertise in an area by completing a group of related courses. So you have to complete like 6 courses, 10 courses, like that. So you will see all those detail. And why? So gain expertise in a specific area, then after demonstrate motivation and dedication. I think I don't have to read it out, you are smart enough to go. And in this how you can get, so complete all core and the selected elective in domain within 3 years duration. So within 3 years you have to complete all those courses whatever come in that group, then only you will get this certificate. And coming to your score, so in average your score must be equal to greater than 60, and minimum your course must be score must be 55 or plus. So like there is five like core courses. Okay, so in one core courses you scored 56, like, okay, 56, and in other courses you have scored 80, 70. So when you take the average should be greater than equal to 60, while you will take all those courses score and divide by number of courses. So your score must be equal to greater than 60, and one courses if your score is 56, 57, less than 60 but 52 or 55 or above, then that is okay. If your score is less than 55 in any of that core courses or elective courses of that domain, then you have to redo the course, rewrite the course again, you have to attempt the course, otherwise you will not get. Okay, and there is also you have to complete some particular number of weeks to get that. Like you are all selecting like 4 week courses, then you will not get. So in that is applicable, you have to understand how many weeks are required. You have to complete particular that much week of the courses to get the certificate. So all the detail I have mentioned in that video already, I have shown you in this video. So you go and watch it, guys. I don't want to go more detail. Okay, now coming to the courses offered for computer science engineering. So there are 5 domain courses they are offering: artificial intelligence, data science, programming, foundation of computing, and system. Okay, so these courses are offering, and this semester I am planning to help you out, the learner of artificial intelligence, data science, and programming. Maybe I am going to provide one of the domain courses complete help, like solution, and helping in doing assignment and everything, and also in preparation of examination. maybe I am going to provide any two, not three. I will provide one or two domain solution. I will provide, I will try with my team. So final plan not yet fixed. So you do enroll, the enrollment is free of cost. You do enroll whatever the interest you have and go for that. In coming some semester, we are going to provide all those five domains help for you learner LPTL not. Okay. Then how to know the courses? So for this, very easy. You just copy it, control find, control V, and hit enter. Okay. So in that you can see here, this is artificial intelligence, and here you have to complete 6 courses and minimum of 60 weeks. So your courses must be at minimum 60 weeks. Like you are all selecting 4-week courses in core, means that is 4 16 weeks just, and in elective you are selecting 12 courses. So 24. So 24 and 12 just 36. So you will not get certificate. So it must be 60 week. Okay. So what are the courses? So guys, you can see here like core 1. So out of these two, you have to do any one. If you have done both, no problem, that is fine, but that will considered as only one core courses. Okay. So here is option, you can select any one courses you can do. In core 1, 2 you have compulsory, you have to do this course, there is no other option. In core 3 there is 2 option, you can do either of one. In core 4 also there is 2 courses, you can do either of one. But while you are selecting the course, then guys, do remember that the duration of the course is going to be 60 or more than 60. Okay, while you are calculating the duration of course for your core and elective courses. So you go that way, smart way. Okay. And even guys, when you are enrolling the course, check it out the exam date of the course. If your exam date of course, any 2 courses, means more than 2 courses, exam date is the same, you can't write exam. You can only attempt 2 exam on a single day according to NPTEL. So in one semester you can write 6 exam, each day 2 courses. But this from last semester NPTEL is providing only one slot, only 1 day slot for one courses. So that is a little bit difficult. So in this case guys, you note the course and also you check it out the exam date, and then you go for the courses. Otherwise at last you will face like 3 exam on the same day. So there you have to drop one, so you will get demotivation. So check it out properly. Okay. So from core you have to select 4 courses. Okay. And these are the elective courses. Okay. So from elective you just have to select any 2 courses. Okay. So like if you are adding all duration of the core courses, okay, and if your core course duration is less week, less than 60, too many less, then try to enroll 12 week in elective courses. So even here guys, if you do this deep learning and this deep learning with computer vision, 2 elective, no, that is not 2 elective, that is single elective, because it is mentioned as 1 elective. Out of 3 you have to do any one, or you can do many, but counted any one will be counted on here. And elective 2, like that you check it that a particular box, and from that you have to pick one. Okay. I hope I am clear and you are smart enough to understand and catch up if I am missing any information. Okay. Now I am going to show you programming. For programming, right? Okay. So programming. Okay, I think let me go up. Okay. Okay, data science. Okay. I think my mouse is not working properly. Okay. Okay, I will go down, no problem. Okay, so okay, data science, you can see here these are the courses in data science, and here you have to select 3 core and 3 elective. There is no fixed pattern, whatever that is, you check it out in the detail guys. Okay. Coming to programming, so there are 4 core and 2 elective courses. So you check it out and enroll the courses. Okay guys, and for these courses I am not providing for now. Okay. but I have done also from here many courses, like even I have done 3 core courses, okay, and okay, 3 core courses I have done, just 3 core courses from here. If I also do any core courses and 2 elective, I will get this domain also. Yet I have not got any domain. I will keep on and I will get, definitely I am trying. Okay, so these all are the courses, you can check it out. Okay guys, so I will attach this link directly in the video description as well as the comment section, so you can download this PDF, 59-page PDF, and you can go through. Okay, so okay, and now coming to if you want to know more detail regarding the domain, okay, so you can just go to NPTEL. This I will provide this NPTEL direct website link, so you can go there and you can click domain, okay, and from domain you can see here these people have got the domain. Only 8 people has so far got domain certificate from NPTEL. Okay, so you try it and you can click here, okay, and go to your respective okay branch, and you go and click the courses like programming, okay, and here you will get, and from that you can click and enroll. So you can click enroll now and you can enroll one of your favorite courses. Maybe some courses are not, like in January 2021 this courses is not going to be taught, so there is no enrollment. So like that you check it out and you can enroll from this page guys. Okay, so I will provide this home page link directly, okay, and home page of the NPTEL, and you can guys go there. Okay, this page I will provide, you go domain and go inside and you enroll the course guys. Even you can easily enroll, you can open this page, Swayamya page, I will provide this link too, and you can click sign in, you go for the sign in. Okay, so I think my net speed is a little bit low, so try to bear me. And yet I have not finalized what are the courses I am going to provide, so I am a little bit busy with some of my exam. So once my exam will be over, I will get back and give you the whole detail. So you click all courses, okay, and after clicking on all courses, okay, okay guys, and if you need more detail, I have already referred you the video, go through this video and watch. I will also provide this video link in video description as well as comment section, so you can easily get. Okay, so from course catalog, okay, you go and check the NPTEL domain, right? NPTEL domain, okay, so in NPTEL domain, okay, due to net speed I am facing like this issue guys, try to bear me. Okay, so NPTEL domain, okay, what is happening? Okay, so click there and you go for NPTEL domain. So for which courses you want to go, like programming, okay, so you go for programming, okay, and you will see all those courses what is related to programming, you can see, and you can enroll the course. Okay, even you can go to there and you can select what are the other courses you want, like, okay, so like you are data science, okay, so tick the data science and you will get data science domain courses here. Okay, so like that guys, you go and enroll the courses whatever favorite for you and try to get the domain courses. Okay, thanks a lot for watching this video, and please do subscribe my channel if you have found this information useful to you. And soon I am also going to provide information on how to get NPTEL internship offer and how to get employability offers from NPTEL. So thanks a lot. Please stay at home, stay safe, stay tuned with Deep Code Guru, and happy learning. Hope we will meet again in January to July 2021 semester.